house tour. Ta-da! So here's the entrance of our house. At the entrance, there is a shoe built-in shoe rack. Yeah, that one. But of course, I cannot reach up high. So here lang ito. Then, there is a small one. Dami. Lalagyan. And then, on the other side, there is a tatami room. In Japan, this is what you call the living room. Like a rest place where you can rest. And here is the bathroom. Yeah. On the other side of the bathroom. Okay, so as we turn here, this is the living room. Okay, so ito yung living room, kitchen, living room. This is the kitchen, this is, and of course, this one, cabinets, and grill. This is the cooking area. You can also grill there. And that is toaster. And this one cabinet. And let's go the other side. Ayan, may kaunting dadagdag din dito. Okay, and this is okay, so this is the sink, and this is where you can put the washing machine. And this is the bathroom. And bathroom. Hot tub. And let's go up. The second floor. Second floor na po.